Yes, I'm Sasha. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to make a decorative fireplace insert. I have a fireplace that we can't use as a fireplace because it's just not efficient. So I'd like to put something decorative in there. And I wasn't sure what I wanted to use until someone offered me these. So I started out with pipe cutters. The candle holders are very thick. Started out with pipe cutters and it was working, but it was taking forever. So my husband had mercy on me and he used his Sawzall and he cut all of the candle holder pipes to the right size for me. So this is the fireplace in question. It is not efficient for us to use it as a fireplace. It actually sucks all the heat from other parts of the house and goes right out the chimney. So unfortunately, because we don't have central heating here, we can't do something like that. We have to make sure to hold on to our heat. So I decided I wanted to do something else with it. So in order to make our insert, I just took one of the I get these little vinyl tablecloths at the dollar store, and they work great for templates for things and patterns. So I cut this out the size that I want it to be, and then I will use this to cut out my piece of wood to use as my insert here. Well, I've marked where I need to cut with a permanent marker, so let's go for it. I double checked and the piece of wood fits into the fireplace just fine. So moving on, I have some floorboards that are kind of junk boards. They're short, unfinished oak, but I think they'll look nice on here. So I'm going to use this Loctite to go ahead and attach the floorboards onto this, and then I will trim them to the proper size. I'm going to throw some nails in here to prevent them from sliding around, because I'm going to have to kick the other boards securely in there. So I'm going to just throw some little nails in here. I'm just going to go ahead and fill some of these cracks a little bit. All right, and now I'm going to drill the holes for the candle holders. Finally got all the holes drilled, and so now it's time to sand. Sanding is all done, so now I'm going to go ahead and put some stain on here. I've got red oak. So the base is finished, and now all I have to do is put the candle holders in all those holes that I drilled. Some of the holes are not exactly straight up and down, so if I have any problem with candle holders wanting to go wonky, I'm going to use this tacky stuff inside the hole, and hopefully that will make it stand up straight. So here is the finished product. I think it looks pretty cool. So just remember that if you see something in a secondhand store, if somebody's willing to give you something, just because it's not perfect doesn't mean you can't adjust it to your own needs. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.